Welcome class 10. In previous videos we discussed about exercise 5.1 and 5.2, right? Now we will take some examples of 5.2, right, from example number 12. See example 12. I am reading from textbook. Two APs have same common difference. Means APs are different. See, we have discussed. If APs are more than 2, then we give different letters like A1, A2, A3, dot, 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 B1, B2, B3, dot, dot, dot. Yes or no? It's two different APs. Now, the difference between their 100th terms is 100. Now, let one AP is given by A1, A2, A3, dot, 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 B1, B2, B3, dot, 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 right? So, difference between their 100th term means A 100 minus B 100. That is equal to 100 given to you. Okay. And now they are telling what is difference between their 1000th term. 1000 term again, see, A 1000 minus B 1000 equal to question mark. What is difference? Difference equal to 1 D, common difference. Got it? Now it's very simple. We will write only what is A 100. You can write A plus 99D minus what is B 100? B plus 99B. Yes or no? See, minus sign outside bracket, that is equal to 100. Open bracket, definitely you are getting it. A plus 99D minus B minus 99D. Okay, that is equal to 100. So 99D getting cancelled. It's very clear now. See, A minus B equal to 100. You got it. Okay. Now similarly we will find the difference of 1000 terms, that is A plus 999D minus B minus 999D. That is equal to this 999D is cancelled. So you got it. You got that is A minus B, and A minus B equal to 100. Therefore see, that is again 100. So you got difference between 1000 term is also 100. Clear? Now let us take example number 13. See, example 13. I am reading from textbook. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? You are asked 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. And you are knowing 3-digit numbers. What are they? 3-digit numbers begin from 100, 101, dot, dot, dot. Yes or no? And what is last 3-digit number? Yes, 999. So we must know what is question. 3-digit numbers. I know, we all know 3-digit numbers. 100, 101, dot, 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 999. Now question is divisible by 7. Now check. Is 100 divisible by 7? No. 101. Check. You can divide. You know. No. 102. Even number, not by 7. 103. No. 104. No. 105. Yes. So first 3-digit number divisible by 7 is 105. Then you are knowing if it is divisible by 7 means all numbers of this AP are multiple of 7. And you are knowing how to write next number. If I add 7 to this, I will get 112. 119. Dot, dot, dot. Now see students, look here. Last is 999. So 999 is not divisible by 7. So simply just look at the 7. You got by these numbers 5, 2, 9. If I get next number, what is that next? Yes, 9, 2, 6. Yes or no? We're adding 7. We're getting next number. Dot, dot, dot. Right? So in one's place of number divisible by 7 is 5, 2, 9, 6. इतना सफिशियंट है सर? अब देखो 9 वाला चेक करना पड़ेगा. नहीं. तो 6, let us take 996. Okay? Or you decrease by 1, 998, 997. Check it. If I take 998. Fine. So what is last number divisible by 7? I am getting it say 998. Practically आपको ऐसा चेक करना पड़ेगा सर. You have to remember it. Okay. See, divided by 7. 1. No. 998 is not divisible by 7. Like this, see, I am showing in video. You are dividing. You came to know. No. Then after that 997 करिए, डिवाइड करो, ऐसे करना पड़ेगा आपको. ओके. नो. 996. No. Yes or no? Because it is 16. Got it? So it's not there. Like 995. Students, you have to do yourself. See, practically I am doing for you only. Some students are not remembering that numbers. Test of divisibility by 7 is not known to all students. और ऐसे टाइम पे इतना याद करने की जरूरत नहीं. आप डिवाइड करिए. 717. No, this 15 is there. Okay. Then 994. See, this 14 is there, 7 2s. I got 994. Last number, 3-digit number is dot 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 994. Clear? Means from this activity experiment we tried, children, we are knowing 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number 100, greatest 3-digit number 999. From this we made AP in which each term is divisible by 7. There are several examples of the same type. Means in such examples you have to make AP. Now you got AP. Now they are telling how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Let us say n numbers. Yes or no? Got it? We want to find n. See here A is 105. D equal to 7. They are asking n equal to question mark. Clear? So now see, also you are given last number an equal to 994. So write formula of an equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Put the values. Very easy, very easy. See children, you will understand this 105 plus n minus 1 d is 7. Open bracket. Okay. Subtract this first 105 this side. Yes, equal to this 7 multiplied by n minus 1. Got it? Subtraction very important. If your subtraction is wrong, your efforts are going to the waste. Now divide by 7. Cross multiplication. Okay. Cancel it. You got 127 equal to n minus 1. So 1 minus 1 come this side. So n equal to 128. See, you got n is 128 means there are 128 terms which are exactly divisible by 7. See student, this is first example, very important for you. Please try to understand. And now I am giving 3 examples of the same type yourself. Okay, will you do? So you got it now. What is important? सबसे पहले अगर 3 डिजिट बोला तो आपको ये 3 डिजिट नंबर्स पूरे लिखने हैं लास्ट तक. उसमें से आपको एपी बनानी है अपने नंबर के हिसाब से, राइट? Then you get A, what is A, what is D, what is N is asked, then N is known to you. Okay, formula very simple. Got it? Fine. Now see children, I am writing 3 examples of the very similar type. Please try your best. See you.